I'm about to pull off this wallpaper. We'll just take, I did it over here, but it's kind of taking off some of the stuff off the wall, but it's okay because they're adding more wallpaper on here. But we gotta take this off so Dad could do his part, and then we should sand and paint and then put our new wallpaper up. But yeah. These are on here so good. Real good. And we're reusing these. Dad is sanding it up, getting it nice and smooth. So we'll do another layer.
Yeah.
Sand it and then paint it up, right, Dad?
Yeah.
And we're back at Lowe's. Back at Lowe's grabbing, what do we get? Oh, I'm looking at a sander. So we can sand these cabinets and I don't have to do it by hand. So we're coming to price that.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know where they're at, Dad. Okay.
No, that's a round one.
Okay, so
You want a flat one?
we want a flat one. We want a flat one, y'all. Let's see.
That one's 44.
Oh, that one's 44, which is not too bad.
See, I got the corner one. No, you can't get that one, Connie.
What's wrong with this one?
Because it's on display. You got to look.
Oh, I know, but this one. I'm excited about this purchase.
Is this it?
No, this one is a.
Flat.
Oh, it's this one right here, 44. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Do we have to get any
Yeah,
of
we
the
gotta get
pads?
some sandpaper. No, we gotta go to paint.
Oh, yeah.
Places sell.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's why I like going to Home Depot. See, because they sell Riley's. I mean, what you call it?
I'm a tool girly. I love me a good tool. Oh, look. All the batteries. So, I'm going to get one of these. One of these. Let's see. Cabinet. And then next to that, I'm going to need one of these and one more of these, and possibly one of these. We have to see. Right now, my dad's looking for a Lazy Susan to go in the corner at the bottom as well. Okay. Then I want to show you guys one more thing. And we're gonna do for a countertop. We're gonna do. Where is it? We're gonna do. Oh, they have one that's already painted. But we're gonna do this one. But I see, they already have one that's painted. So I wouldn't even have to paint it. I mean, stain it. So that's an option. Or, but that's $219. Yeah.
The several over here, that's all they got. Anything that is not over here, if they got to order it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I don't see no Lazy Susan or nothing.
Okay. So
unless it's up there. or something. But she said if it's not over here, it's a special order.
Okay.
And I know special orders cost.
Yeah. They'll get that half the price of way more than that, but the other one over there was like 300, 400, and we could just do and use this.
This one looks like it's stained already.
Yeah.
But it's not.
I would definitely go over it a few more times with the brown stain. But yeah, I'm gonna need 2 of these. I'm already knowing I'm gonna need 2 of these.
2 of which one?
This
Those?
wood, yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean, either or, just however long how long are the cabinets? 24?
20, yeah.
So I would need this one. Because that one's only 20, this one's 24.
Yeah. Now, what's going over here? The 30?
The 30 inch. It's going right there.
Okay, this is 85 3/4. Okay. 85 3/4.
So we got 36 already.
No, it's 30. It's 30 3/4.
30. I thought that the Lazy Susan was 36 on each side.
Okay, that's the Lazy Susan.
Oh, how much space we got left?
Right, I'm counting the 30 3/4. That's going to take up. Now I said this was what, 80?
80 and 3 something or something.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but
That's 85. Just say 85 and a half. 85 and a half. Okay. I know I had written it somewhere, but it's, you can, okay. 85 and a half. So minus what? 34. 30 3/4.
so we only have. Dad has to go back to Texas, so we only have 2 weeks to finish this project. So we got the cabinets, which are over there. Got the cabinets. We have the primer, not the paint. I have to go to a different store to get the paint because Lowe's nor Home Depot sells that type of paint. So I gotta go to a different store. We're gonna do that tomorrow. So right now we're just gonna finish this up. We're gonna prime this wall, prime the other wall, and I think tomorrow we're gonna put it in the cabinets. I think. I don't know. It depends on what old man has in store for us tomorrow. So stay tuned.